Hey, this is Maggie from Juma, and today I'm going to show you how to connect different tools to Juma so that you can pull context for your project knowledge directly from Google Drive, Notion, OneDrive, SharePoint, and HubSpot. This is really useful because most teams already have their files stored in these places. So instead of downloading and re-uploading everything to Juma, you can just connect your account and access these sources directly. You can add integrations in two places, inside Project Knowledge or inside your context library. I'm going to open this project over here and also open its knowledge. Juma also integrates with NA10. So you can create thousands of automated workflows. However, now I'm going to focus only on these integrations over here where you can pull relevant context from. Over here, I can, for example, connect my Google Drive. I'm going to click on this button, authenticate, and we're done. I'm going to open this again. Now I can directly add files from my Google Drive. Let's see, I want to add this A/B testing best practices for Mindful Bytes. Now, if at some point I update my document from Google Drive, I can just click on that button and refresh the document. I can do this with OneDrive, with SharePoint, Notion, and HubSpot. For example, I have already authenticated with Notion. I can just choose a page and add it to my project knowledge. If I want, I can also delete it. You can also connect files with your context library where they will be stored and kept so that you can reuse between different chats in different projects. I'm going to click on this plus button, search context, and add context. Here I can choose between the integrations. I am going to add from Google Drive. So the process is almost the same. I'm just going to select the file and it will be available inside my context library. I can open context library, see all the things that I have added inside. This is like the knowledge hub for your workspace. It's private. And when I select a doc, you can see that it gets attached on top of my chat. You don't need to worry about where all of your files are stored, and all of the context you need is going to be accessible right in Juma. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.